We're in the early stages of what is likely going to be a long journey with AI and product management. And although it's exciting to think about everything AI could help us do more quickly or more efficiently, let's start with where we are today. In the simplest sense, right now, product managers are still doing what they've always done. But with the lift from AI in various places, AI won't be replacing product managers now or in the future, but rather it's a tool that can be leveraged to automate and speed up certain tasks. It's helpful to think about AI's place in building products in three categories. The first category is data analysis. A large part of product manager's job involves collecting, analyzing, and distilling quantitative data like product usage and user journeys, and qualitative data like customer feedback and NPS open text responses. AI has a huge role to play here with pattern recognition, which is a data analysis method that uses machine learning algorithms to automatically recognize patterns and trends in a dataset. Instead of spending time sifting through product analytics data and feedback submissions, product managers can lean on AI to analyze and summarize this data, and then dig into any themes they want to examine more closely. This aid in decision-making is especially crucial for things like product discovery, roadmap planning, and product-led growth strategies. Being able to analyze more product and user data also means product managers will have more ways to personalize the in-product experience with tailored content, in-application messaging, and workflows. The second category is experimentation. If product managers aren't spending as much time combing through data, they'll have a lot more time for experimentation, and will likely be more willing to develop more tests in the product. With AI tools, product managers can conduct more experiments than ever before. For example, AI can suggest what to test for multivariate feature testing and even run tests automatically. This experimental approach to innovation will allow us to learn what's working and implement changes quickly. And the third category is communication. Product managers are constantly communicating about ideas, priorities, and plans, especially since they work with so many cross-functional partners. AI can help automate the creation of things like user stories, persona descriptions, product requirements documents, release notes, and more. In the future, nearly everything you write for communication purposes will be improved and optimized with AI. You'll still be responsible for providing the information needed to input as prompt. But AI technology can help remove some of the manual work that comes with communicating about product development. Even with the help from AI, product managers still need to remember what effective communication looks like. This means truly being present and communicative with customers, engineers, stakeholders, and cross-functional teams. This is what helps us articulate value and understand if we're solving the right problems and whether we're providing enough details for others to do their jobs well. I also want to highlight two areas of product management that AI will only amplify, not replace. Being customer-centric will always be foundational to the product manager role. How you collect and analyze that feedback might change, but being able to translate customers' wants and needs into a product is a fundamental skill that isn't going away. Product managers must also still have a good business sense. The role is rooted in making product decisions that tie directly to positive business impact, which requires a holistic view into a company's goals, customers, and strategic direction. In fact, AI will enable product managers to create business cases much more easily for the things they want to build. This is a great example of AI's ability to uplevel a core product manager skill, not replace it. In this way, it's important for product managers to see AI as a tool that can empower them to build better digital experiences for customers. In other words, product managers should embrace AI as their partner, not a threat. The primary reason for this thinking is that AI frees up product managers to create and innovate more. Take the example of customer feedback and Net Promoter Score survey responses. Historically, product managers have spent a lot of time manually combing through this qualitative data, categorizing everything, trying to understand trends, and writing analysis and recommendations to share with the rest of their team. With the addition of machine learning into product experience and feedback management software, product managers get hours back in their days and weeks that can instead be spent on more strategic projects and innovating to increase value for customers. When you zoom out, AI is following the same general pattern that emerged across the last 2 decades of technological change. We've seen digital streaming take the reins over traditional at-home entertainment options, increasing choice for customers. We've seen cloud computing take over traditional methods of delivering products and services, freeing up space and dollars and empowering people to focus on rapid improvements and ultimately shortening the time to value. We've also seen renewable energy and sustainable technologies provide options for us to reduce our carbon footprint, helping us move collectively toward a better, cleaner world. In times like these, product managers innately think about massive change waves as opportunities to create for their customers. And this AI moment is no different. In the next lesson, we'll go over some more specific ways product managers can utilize AI,